Alright, so this did not originally come with a tow package setup, so I added this Reese tow hitch a while back for the bike rack, but I'd like to tow a small trailer with it. So, we get this, the Curt wiring kit, and it looks like it's pretty simple, but we'll find out. Should disconnect the battery, but we'll skip that. So I took all these out so you don't lose them. There's a 10mm down here. Alright, so it's got two separate. You're following the instructions that come with it. 2008-13. You're actually going to go up by the firewall. 14 and up. Alright, so we're 4-pin. There's our 4-pin. That eventually is going to make its way outside the car. And our 10-pin. Gonna go there. All right, yeah, let's ground this. We'll ground this. There's a bracket right here with an arrow right above it. It's probably 10mm. That'll work. Give you double-sided tape so that converter is not flopping around as you drive around. All right, inside the parts bag, find your fuse. It's 10 amp. Let's make sure this is grounded. All right, so this is grounded. Fuse is in, wires are together. Now we just got to find a way to get this outside the vehicle. I may say in the directions, just have it hang out the bumper, but it says when in use, route the floor flat, being this connects to your trailer, to the center of the vehicle. When not in use, roll up and store it convenient out of the way. Alright, so what we're going to do is, you see this plug here? Let's route it through here. I think what I'm going to do, cut one notch in there so the wires are protected from this metal edge. We'll feed it through there. We'll have it come above the hitch. Yeah. And we'll hook it up to there or something. Put some conduit so if it does rub, we're not rubbing through the wire. Just make a little incision there. They'll serve its purpose of mostly keeping water out and not being a point where it's going to rub. Alright, this does not work because the one spot I picked is where the base comes down right there. So this has to move. See, that's how I routed it for now. I don't like how it rubs there, but this will work for now. Also, it does come with a cover, so make sure you put that on. So I rushed through the instructions and missed the part about the last step, basically, of going into your fuse panel, because of course Toyota's not going to put a fuse in this 30 amp for towing because it doesn't come with a tow package. That up. So the second row over from the right, and then you see that 30, I don't see it on camera, but it's 30 amp there. There's an extra 25. We're going to use the 25 because I don't have a 30. This says, see the owner's manual for the correct position of the towing fuse, insert the provided 10 amp. It says 10 amp, but Toyota's calling for a 30 amp here. So, I mean, this is for, this particular wiring kit was for the Lexus and Toyota, so whatever, not a big deal. So now that we have the towing fuse in, let's go try to hook it up to the trailer and see what we get.